Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got something really interesting to show you all. A lot of people really love to have RGB RAMs in their computers, but they're a bit expensive than the regular ones, and that's why people usually avoid them and go for the normal RAMs. Well, this video is for all the PC enthusiasts who want to have RGB RAM in their build. On my desk I have the cheapest RGB RAM sticks available in the market. And the best thing is, these RAM sticks are made in India by this company called Xeon, and the model is Xeon Blaze RGB. The Blaze RGB RAM come in this sort of box packing. The box looks nice and colorful, you got the Blaze RGB logo everywhere, and it says built for extremes. Let's see what's written on the backside. You can actually see the RAM through the box. We've got the 16GB variant, 2 RAM sticks each of 8GB, and these RAM sticks are clocked at 3000 MHz. You've got the Xeon branding on the box, and it comes with 3 years of warranty. Coming to the pricing details, the price on the box is 20,000 rupees, but they cost only around 12,000 rupees in the market. And as I've told you, it's pretty cheap. For 12,000 rupees, you're getting 2 8GB RAM sticks with RGB lighting, and that too they're clocked at 3000 MHz from the factory. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, here we go. So the RAM sticks come nicely packed on this tray, and looks like there's nothing else in the box. Let me just keep it aside and check out the product. So here are the RGB RAM sticks from Xeon. Let me just take them out. There you go. So this is how the Blaze RGB from Xeon look like. Pretty nice. You got the Xeon branding over here. This entire body is made of aluminum alloy, so it acts as a nice heatsink for the RAM. It's got this red and black design, and at the top you got this translucent light bar which glows beautifully in RGB. It says Blaze RGB and has the Xeon branding at the top. The build quality looks nice and is also quite lightweight in the hand. It's a DDR4 8GB RAM stick and comes pre-overclocked to 3000 MHz from the factory. That means you don't need to do anything, just unbox, install and start using. Awesome, right? Can't wait to test them. So this was just an unboxing and overview video guys. I'll be using them for some time and give you my full review later in a separate video. Also, I'm not sure if the RGB lighting on it is fully customizable with the software because the company hasn't mentioned anything about that in their website. Now I don't wanna end the video here, so what I'll do is I'll just install this RAM in my PC and give you a glimpse of how they look like. Alright, I've installed the Xeon Blaze RGB RAM sticks in my PC and this is how beautiful they look like. Wow, they look beautiful on a budget. The Blaze RGB have 10 mounted RGB LEDs on the top light bar and can produce more than 64 million colors. The RAM looks really gorgeous. It's got this rainbow wave-like lighting effect going on, but the only thing is the RGB lighting effect is fixed. There is no option to change or customize the RGB LED lighting. But still, they look pretty decent for the price. So that was my unboxing and overview on the Xeon Made in India RGB Blaze RAM. They definitely look promising. I'll be using them in my upcoming PC build video and tell you guys how they perform. This 16GB kit clocked at 3000 MHz costs around 12,000 rupees. If you're interested, I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.